Some motorcycles are built for speed, and others are built for travel, but a select few are built for the sheer soul of the ride. For decades, the Airhead defined BMW's identity. Now, after years of anticipation, the legend has returned with a modern twist. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we are looking at the 2026 BMW 100. This isn't just a retro-styled tribute, it is a full-blown revival of the classic Roadster concept, designed to sit perfectly between the entry-level cruisers and the high-performance R12 series. Let's find out if this modern classic captures the magic of the original. Design. The R100 truly shines. BMW has nailed the aesthetic of the 1970s while cleaning it up for 2026. The silhouette is dominated by that iconic flat twin boxer engine, which sits proudly beneath a classic teardrop fuel tank. The lines are horizontal and clean, accented by hand-painted pinstripes, a nod to the brand's heritage. The exposed driveshaft, wire-spoked wheels, and round LED headlamp create a look that is timeless. It feels substantial and metallic, lacking the cheap plastics found on many modern naked bikes. It is mechanical art in its purest form. Performance. The R100 is powered by a newly refined 998cc air and oil-cooled boxer engine. Unlike its sportier siblings, this engine is tuned for torque and character. It doesn't scream at the red line. Instead, it offers a rhythmic, reassuring thrum that you can feel through the bars. The rocking motion of the boxer engine is present, giving the bike a heartbeat that enthusiasts love. The ride quality is plush, utilizing a conventional telescopic fork up front, rather than the complex telelaver system, which provides more feedback from the road. It's not a track weapon, it's a gentleman's express, capable of cruising at highway speeds all day without breaking a sweat. Features and technology. The R100 practices the art of digital minimalism. BMW understands that riders of this bike don't want a spaceship dashboard. You get a classic dual-clock analog setup for speed and revs, but nestled between them is a small, high-resolution LCD strap. This discreetly handles your trip data, fuel range, and gear indication. Despite the vintage look, the safety tech is thoroughly modern. Standard equipment includes cornering ABS, traction control, and distinct ride modes that adjust throttle response for wet or dry conditions. And true to BMW fashion, premium heated grips and cruise control are integrated so seamlessly you barely notice the buttons. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW 100 is a triumph of character. It offers the reliability and safety of a new machine with the analog feel of a vintage bike. It's for the rider who wants to slow down, enjoy the scenery, and feel every mechanical interaction. We want to know your take. Does the 100 successfully revive the spirit of the Airheads, or is it just another retro styling exercise? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review and appreciate a good mix of heritage and horsepower, please hit that like button and share this video with your fellow riders. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth automotive content. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.